about, we've had a lot of drivers ask us why we turn trucks, we set our trucks at 65 mile an hour. It's 65 on the cruise and 63 on the foot. And the reason we do that, we've done some things in the past. We used to run wide base tires. We're kind of switching back to duals. Didn't really see the fuel mileage bonus. I couldn't really myself. They claim it's 3%. I couldn't ever figure that out. But the one reason we do the 65 mile an hour trucks is it's all about money. It's all about, just like you said, it's all about maintenance. It's less wear and tear on the driver, on the tires, on the brakes and everything. And plus it's going to get the truck better fuel mileage, which puts more money in everybody's pocket. Bottom line. Better fuel mileage, you know, just like we talked about a while ago about the Macro 27, about only buying the amount of fuel you need to get to from point A to point B on that particular load, because we're all about profit. Yeah, well, you can't run 75 miles an hour and be profitable, and I can prove that to you. I used to have my truck set on 70, and our fuel mileage, once we went down to 65 on the cruise, because that's incentive to run cruise, once we went down, our fuel mileage jumped over half mile a gallon. So for every mile to gallon, for every 10 miles an hour, you save a mile a gallon, if that makes sense. So if you're getting 7 miles a gallon at 70, you go down to 60, you're going to get 8 miles a gallon. Now we've got our truck spec, you know, from gear ratio and the motor and transmission and everything. We're at 65 is the peak. That's peak horsepower and everything. That just makes the most amount of money for everybody. And that's what we're about here. So the most amount of money we can put in your checking account. And so